Welcome to chapter statistics. Today we are going to see that how we can find out unknown frequency in the case of group data when median is given to us. Here in this question, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, so you can see what is the median given to us, that is 28.5. We are supposed to find the values of x and y. Our class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and the total of the frequency is given 60. Our frequencies are 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5, and total is 60. Let us see how can we work out for this. We'll make the table first of all. This is our class interval. We can see how many classes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the last one is 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we can just rub this one. This is our frequency and this column will be your cumulative frequency. So your class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and here we are having total. Okay. Our frequencies are 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5, and the total is given 60. Okay. Now we know how to find out cumulative frequency. First of all, this 5 will be here. Next, 5 plus x. Again, 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x. 25 plus 15, that is 40 plus x. Here it will be 40 plus x plus y. Here it will be 45 plus x plus y. So just see, the total of this should be equal to 60. So we are getting 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60 and x plus y is equal to 15. Give it equation number 1. And one other way you can see 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15, that is 40, again plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. So this equation is obtained from the frequency, and moreover we know that these two totals are same. So accordingly we have worked out. Now let us find out n upon 2. We know that n upon 2 is equal to 60 upon 2, and that is 30. Okay. The formula for median is n plus n upon 2 minus cf upon f into h. Median given to us is 28.5. 28.5. Okay. Now just see in which class interval this 28.5 lies. It lies between 20 to 30. So we will take this interval. This is our 20 to, यहाँ पे आपका 20 से 30 में 28.5 लाई करेगा, तो आपकी लोअर लिमिट क्या हो जाएगी 10. So this is your 20, sorry, lower limit will be 20, then plus n upon 2 we have already worked out, that is 30, minus cf, मतलब इसकी पहले वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी cf, ये हो जाएगा आपका क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, that is minus 5 plus x अपॉन मीडियन क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी 20. क्लास इंटरवल आपका कितने का है 10 का है, प्लस ये कंटिन्यूअस है. आपको मालूम है अगर क्लास इंटरवल कंटिन्यूअस नहीं होगा तो आपको कंटिन्यूअस बनाना पड़ेगा फॉर द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मीडियन. नाउ दिस इज इनटू 10. Now you can do the calculation, that is 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 25 माइनस x अपॉन 2. देखिए ये 0 से 0 कैंसिल. यहाँ पे 30 माइनस 5 दैट इज 25 माइनस 6 अपॉन 2. दिस इज योर 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. That is 17 is equal to 25 minus x implies x is equal to 25 minus 17. That is equal to 8. x की वैल्यू आपकी कितनी होगी 8. One more equation is with us. x plus y is equal to 15. Keep the value of x is equal to 8 here. We know x plus y is equal to 15. So 8 plus y is equal to 15 implies y is equal to 7. So what value we got here? The value of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. This is how we can work out the unknown frequency. Sometimes your unknown frequency may be single variable, sometimes it may be double. That whenever the unknown frequency you have to work out, then the median will be given to you. With the help of that you can work out the unknown frequency. Thank you.